Hi, hello, it's Ching, and at the Heights of Wellness, my studio. Today, we're gonna work on our thigh and the hip flexors stretch on the chair. So it's a little easier. You don't have to worry about kneel down, and you can do it anywhere if you're standing up, okay? So, because we sit all the time, and driving, especially long distance, sitting is pretty long distance. A lot of times the office work, you sit all day. And then getting up, then go dinner, you sit down again. So this area, we call it hip flexors, okay? The hip flexors psoas, and your rectus femoris, okay, and tensor fascia lata, and somewhat your AD ductor that involved too. So we want to open the whole front area as much as you can, because it's balancing off flexion and extension. So this is the extensions are open. So that always involve your quadriceps. So here we go. So using the chair, not a sofa, okay? So a chair with a little bit of hard surface. So I'm sitting facing, I'm gonna start with my left leg front first. So I'm gonna slide my right leg back, engage abdominal. You can also see I'm sitting in front of the chair. There's space right back here. And slide the leg back. You're going to have to engage your glutes, okay? Engage your tummy and glutes. So first responder and your glutes, they are the best friend, okay? Because they keep your pelvis upright, so you're not leaning forward all the time. So my left hand is hold on to the chair, the up portion of the chair. So from here, I'm going to exhale, reach the heel back, squeeze the glutes, engage abdominal. So you can see I can feel already my quadriceps, nice lengthening, and open my hip by squeeze your glutes, right? With one action, you get equal opposite reaction. So the action usually is contraction. Reaction is the stretching, okay? So now I'm going to reach my right arm up. I add a little laterally flex, bending to the left side. And return. Again, engage abdominal, bending to the left side. And return. You can do 2 more times if you want, right? If you say, oh my goodness, or you say, I can't even move. Then you do more. Okay, now I'm going to add rotation. Engage your tummy. I rotate, use my left hand, push my left shoulder back so I can really rotate my thoracic spine. Inhale. So my right hand hold on to chair 2. You're reaching back, spiral 1. Hollow your tummy, spiral up, 2. Inhale, exhale. So from my left shoulder, this side left shoulder, all the way across to the front, to the heel. It's a nice, a band, beautiful ribbons, opening, spiral at the same time. Inhale, exhale. Now after 4 times, stay here. I'm gonna add an extension, 1. So now I'm strengthening the upper back, now going 2. I don't want to poke my chin out. I want to feel the SCM. Inhale, exhale, still tummy. And last 1. Stay here, 3 breaths. 2. And 3, and return. So now I'm going to turn the chair around so you can see the other side, okay? So I'm turning this around. I'm going to put my right leg front. It was left, right? I don't get too confused. My right leg in the front. Remember, there's space back here. Only 1 sit bone on. Okay, you don't want to sit too close, then there's no room for you to move. So it's right off the bat. It's called asymmetry. You already have to use your tummy to balance yourself. So hold on to the side. Earlier you couldn't see this arm. And now slide the leg back so you see the other way. So inhale, exhale, I'm going to reach the heel back, engage your abdominal, close my rib cage. Exhale, 2. And 3. Now lift this time the left arm up, and I laterally bend my right arm, laterally flex, reach the heel back. 1. Again, you can see I'm actively reach the heel back, squeeze my glutes. 2. And return. Okay, you ready? I'm going to rotate. So contract the left external obliques. My right hand is going to help push my right shoulder back. Inhale, exhale, twisting. 1. You can put a mat under the chair so the chair doesn't move. Exhale, keep looking back, 2. So you see, I reach the heel back. I'm really twisting the opposite, right? One way, then the other way. And exhale. I'm going to add extension now. Inhale, exhale. After twist, I extend. Can you see this SCM? I'm not going to look up. Now compress my joint. So right here, feeling the stretch. 2. Inhale, exhale. 3. Extension. I'm strengthening my back. So all the core muscle in the front and back all working together. So once you finish, you're just gonna do roll down, I'll show you, to release the back a little bit. So bounce off, right? So open your leg wide. I'm sitting in the front again, okay? If you sit way back, you can roll down. So I'm gonna talk to every single, this is called spine scanning with action. So you get a nice feedback, okay? Inhale, I gentle nod my head. Exhale, softening the breastbone. And exhale, I get that upper arrow, contract the rest thoracic spine. Now I pull my tummy and open the lumbar. Now I will flex the hip, drop down. I will stay here 3 breaths, but my shoulders stay home. I don't want the shoulder crowding the neck, okay? Inhale, exhale. So neck is very long, happy. Inhale. At this point, your sits bone is slightly off. Now, when I push down the center energy from the inside, we'll call it investment in the Qigong, I will bring my pelvis right on. We contact the chair again. Now, feel every single vertebra. You got 24 of them, all the way up into nice and tall. You take a nice exhale. If you say, I'm so tight, do one more time. Okay? So it's like I teach you, I'm giving you the recipe you can follow, and you keep practicing. It's so important. Our spine are so important. They're 24 articulate, right? So 7, 12, and the 5. We want them to be able to move instead of held upright. Otherwise, you won't have a good balance when you move. So this is it for today, and try it. If it's really hard, you can just modify a little bit. You don't have to twist so much, but you need to start with the twisting. So energy always spiral, don't forget. So unless you spiral, you're not doing exercise or movement fully. Take good care, and I see you next week. Let's find out what you're gonna learn next week. Okay, take good care. Bye-bye.